Shangqiu Haiqi Machinery Equipment Company Limited was established in 2000 and a high technical enterprise which specializes in the design, production, and marketing of biomass equipments. We have been devoting to the technology research of bioenergy. Now, our company has 6 senior engineers, 23 technical persons, also has several national patents and honor, and cooperate with many domestic universities, such as Harbin University of Science and Technology, North China Electric Power University, Nanjing Forestry University, Henan Agricultural University. We also cooperate with CCTV7. We get CE certificate for our equipments in 2010. At present, our main products are biomass burner, biomass gasification power plant, biomass gasifier furnace, biomass gasification and gas supply system, which are adopting international advanced technology and overcome the international problem of biomass coking and biogas cleaning. Through unremitting efforts and the improvement of technology gradually, our equipments have exported to West Europe, East Europe, South America, North America, Southeast Asia, Africa, and other countries. We adhere to enterprise spirit integrity based on the actual, in hard business starting and development. We are strict with ourselves, and for sake of customers, make customers satisfied. Our aim is to develop together with our customers. Haiqi Machinery is willing to do the cornerstone to success.
We are Shangqiu Haiqi Machinery Equipment Limited. Our main products are biomass burner, biomass gasification power plant, biomass gasifier furnace. We have exported products to Europe, South America, North America, Southeast Asia, and so on. You're welcome to visit our company. Thank you.